It's pretty wet, Nick, isn't it? Oh man, it's been a bad winter for equipment. Here we go then, so we've got the resaw in action, resawing some scaffold. Tom and Daisy's doing that at the minute, and then we've got Matt and Chris over there on the L240 doing some oak for the other order. So we've got both mills running, generators working lovely. We're getting there.
It's not all roses in paradise. Sometimes we have to fix it. So there's obviously some sort of wire problem with the positive somewhere. Yeah. And now I want to go from
One eternity later.
I will, that'll have to do. It's the end of the day. Soak wet through.